Good morning everyone. Today we are going to be doing a dance imagining that we're in a world made of sweets with a chocolate river and candied apples growing on trees and giant lollipops, just like in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. But before we get there, let's do a quick warm-up and make sure that our room is set up ready for us to dance. So have a little look around, make sure that you've made enough space for yourself to dance and you've moved everything that's in your way to the side of the room like I have here. Make sure you're in comfortable dance clothes that you can move around in, and depending on what floor you've got, maybe take off your socks so that you've got enough grip so we don't fall over. Okay, let's start by rubbing our hands together, making them really warm, waking them up. Good. Okay, and let's open and close them. And imagine you've got water on them and you're flicking the water off like this. Good. And then here we're doing a little wobble. Nice. And let's make our arms really warm now. So give them a rub, taking that warmth all the way up your arm into your shoulder, and give your arm a little squeeze. Good. And let's do the other one. Good. A little squeeze. Nice. And a quick shake. Good. Can you stretch them out wide? And bring them down. Good. And all the way up. And good. Okay. Let's spread our legs out. We're going to touch our heads and our shoulders, our knees and our toes. Heads, shoulders, knees, toes. Heads, shoulders, knees, toes. Okay, I'm going to throw in some extra ones now. Are you ready? I'm going to try catch you out. Heads, shoulders, knees, tummies, knees, toes, heads, toes, shoulders, backs, knees, toes, heads, shoulders, toes, knees. Okay, alright, let's shake one leg. Let's warm. Give it a rub. Good, and let's not forget our feet as well. Lovely. Right, a little shake. And let's do the other one. A little rub. Good, and our foot as well. Lovely. Shake. Good, and let's swing them around behind us and go up onto our hands and our knees. Good. We're going to do happy cat, sad cat. So pulling in your tummy towards your spine and lifting your spine towards the sky. Make it a nice big curve. Good. And then releasing back down and do a nice big arch looking forward. And switch. Good, and up. Lovely. And sad cat. And happy cat. Lovely. Tuck your toes underneath you, lift your hips up into the sky, and we'll wiggle our bottoms. Lovely. Walking your feet in towards your hands, and then rolling up. Good. Okay. Let's reach up really tall, and come in. Good. You reach out really, really wide. Be as big as you can. Good. Make sure you've got enough space. And let's lean over to one side and the other side. Good. Make sure you're not touching anything. Lovely. And let's go this way as well. Make sure you've got plenty of space. Reaching out wide one way and then the other way. Good. Okay. And let's bring it in nice and small. Lovely. Let's do some rainbow arms. Good. And the other way. Lovely. And up. And over, up, and over. Good, just have a little dance. Great. And let's try balancing on one leg like a flamingo. Good, and let's try the other leg. Perfect. Great, let's get going. Okay, so we're going to play a little game now, and we're going to think of some shapes to freeze in. So let's figure out some ways where we can freeze our body in interesting shapes. So I might say freeze high. So I want you to make a shape that's really high up in the air. So you could go up onto the balls of your feet like this, or you could go up. Anything that's up. So try a few shapes that are up high. Or maybe one of our balances like this. Good. So what kind of high shapes can you make? Brilliant. Then I might say, freeze, medium. So I need you to make a shape in the middle here. So that could be long like this, or medium, or this one we were doing a minute ago, or you could make a funky twisted shape, anything that's in the middle. So we've got high, medium shape, medium shape, anything you like, good. And then we'll have a low shape. So I want you to go as low as you can to the floor, good. Nice small, or you could be big and low. You could balance. Okay, so we've got our 3 levels there. So we'll be dancing around, doing different things. And when I say freeze, I want you to be as still as you can and either be high, medium, or low. Okay, let's go. Okay, so doing whatever you like, just dancing around. Nice and still. Good. Keep dancing. Freeze. Low. Good. Okay, keep dancing. Good. Let's try skipping. Can you skip? And do some turns. So skipping and turns now. Freeze low. Freeze medium. Good, keep dancing. Alright, let's do some hops now. And on the other leg. Good, and freeze high. Good, keep dancing. Okay, let's do swishing movements now. Swish, swish, swish. Freeze low. Freeze high. Freeze medium. Good, dance anything you like. One. And high. And low. Good. And keep going. Freeze. Low. Brilliant. I hope you're feeling a little bit warmer. I am. It's a very sunny day today. Okay, let's do one last song to warm ourselves up. We're going to go between different types of moving now. So we're going to start doing small and quiet movings. So imagining that you're having to be really, really quiet and you're creeping around nice and slow and quiet and small. And then when the music gets louder, I want you to do the biggest movements you can. Okay? Keep an eye out in your space and make sure that you've got enough space to do your big movements. Okay, let's go. Starting quietly. Slow. Quiet. Shh. Small and slow. Try doing stretching. So still. Now we're going to go nice and smooth. Good, so imagine you're in water. Really, really soft and smooth. Good, like we're floating on a cloud. Lovely. Now as sharp and spiky as you can. Moving in slow motion, so the slowest you've ever moved. Good. Doing a slow motion turn. Good. Lovely. Slow motion stretch. Good. Now super fast. You ring that bell, shout, you yell, you broke the spell. This is when we almost have a fit. This guy is fortune, I got hit. It's no mistake. Okay, last one. Light and twinkly. Good. Soft. Sway from side to side. Good. Little turn. You're going to lower to the floor. Good. I hope your bodies is feeling nice and warm and ready to dance now. We're going to learn our Charlie and the Chocolate Factory sweets dance. So, we start by, I'm going to play a little bit of the music so you can hear. And I want you to close your eyes and imagine all of your favourite sweets, and like they're growing on trees and they're all over the floor. Everything you can see is made from sweets, okay? So we're going to have a river made of chocolate, flowing like melted chocolate. We might have candied apples growing on trees, or lollipops, or candy floss. Beautiful. So that lovely slow twinkly music we're going to use, and we're going to imagine our most favourite sweets. So let's start standing up, and we're in this world made of sweets, and we're going to look to the right and see all of your favourite things over there, and then you're going to look to the left and see amazing sweets all on this side. So that's our first two moves. We look this way and then we look this way. Beautiful. Then we're going to do our big rainbow arms. So we're going to lift all the way up and over. Maybe the sky, maybe the clouds are made from sweets as well. So we look all the way up there. Amazing. And then we're going to do a big turn and look all around us. So the first few moves, we're just looking around at this amazing world that we're imagining. So let's go from the beginning. We look one way, we look the other way, we do our big rainbow arms, and then we do our turn. Okay. So let's try that with music, starting with looking to the right. Okay? Look and look left. Big rainbow arms. Turn. Good. All right. So next we've got our chocolate river in front of us here, and we're going to dip our toe in the chocolate river. Okay? So we've just finished our big turn. We see the chocolate river in front of us, and we're going to dip our toe into it. Okay? And after we've dipped our toe into it, we're going to float like the river, the melted chocolate. So imagine your melted chocolate. You're just going to go blah, 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 blah. Okay? So we go. Look this way. Look this way. Rainbow arms. Big turn. See the chocolate chocolate river, dip your toe, and then we're going to go like the river. So should we try adding that little bit on there? So we've got our looking around and then our chocolate river, okay? Let's go. Look and look. Good. Up, round. Chocolate river, dip your toe, then you melt. Good. Did you hear those notes? Then it goes ding, ding, ding. We're going to use those to look at our next few sweets. We're going to start really, really high with some apples. So we see a massive tree with candied apples growing on it. And you're going to use those notes. There's 3 and it goes ding, ding, ding. And I want you to touch 3 apples. So go really, really high and go bing, bing, bing. Okay? Then we're going to see lollipops, giant lollipops growing here in our middle. So we've gone from high, ding, ding, ding. Then we've got lollipops here in the middle, and we're going to tap our lollipops. We're going to go bing, bing, bing. Brilliant. And then we've got one more thing really, really low. We're going to touch those. Bing, bing, bing. Okay? So let's talk it through from the beginning. We go look and look, all the way over and round. Dip your toe in the chocolate river and then melt like chocolate. Brilliant. Then we see our apples and we go high, bing, bing, bing. Medium, low. And there's 3 in each place. We go bing, 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 bing. Okay? Beautiful. From there, we're going to make some candy floss. And when we make candy floss, you do it in a big circle like this, and it goes whoop. So we're going to make a big circle spiral with our hands. And we're going to go low, medium, high. So we're going to get taller and taller as we do it. Okay? So we finished here. Bing, bing, bing. Then we're going to draw a big circle going higher and higher and higher. Whoop. Lovely. We're going to walk around this amazing candy floss tower that we've made. Brilliant. Let's go from the beginning until there with music. So, okay. Look and look. Up. Chocolate river, dip your toe, melt like chocolate. Good. Then we see our tree. Lollipops, 1, 2, 3. Low, 1, 2, 3. Good. Candy floss tower. Whoosh. Walk around it. Great. Okay. Let's learn the last little bit. So we've made our candy floss tower here. We walk around it, and then we're going to get our favourite little sweets or maybe sprinkles to put on cakes. We're going to pick them up and we're going to throw them to the right, whoosh, and then we're going to go to the left, whoosh, and then we're going to pick more up, and like a big firework we're going to go whoosh, and then watch them fall. Okay, so we've walked around our tower, we get our sprinkles or our sweets, and we go to the right, to the left, and then we throw them all the way up, whoosh, and it rains sweets. Okay, lovely. From there, our last little bit is we've got marshmallows. Imagine massive marshmallows like this big, and they're all over the floor, and you're going to jump from one marshmallow to the other marshmallow. Like this. Okay, so we've got 8 massive marshmallows. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing. And then we've got 4 even bigger marshmallows that are going to throw us up like we're jumping on a trampoline. So we'll do 4 really big, beautiful jumps from 2 feet. So we'll go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And you can do whatever jumps you like, but I want 4, okay? And then the last thing is we gather all our sweets, we eat them, and then we're going to sit down and look at this beautiful sweets world that we've created. And that's the end of our dance. So let's try that a couple of times with music together, okay? From the beginning. Look and look. Rainbow, turn around. Chocolate river, toe, melt. Good. Apples, ding, ding, ding. Lollipops, 1, 2, 3. Blow, 1, 2, 3. Candy floss tower, all the way up. Walk around it. Good. Sprinkles now. To the right. To the left. Ready. Through the middle. Beautiful. Marshmallows. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good. Big ones. 2, 3, 4. Good. Eat our sweets. Good. And we'll sit down. And smile at your imaginary world. Okay, let's do it one more time so we really know what moves are coming next, and then we'll do it one last time and really imagine each of the things and enjoy the music. So, first one, let's do it, and I will talk through the steps again, okay? Ready? Look to the right, look to the left, rainbow arms, all the way up, turn around, dip your toe in the river, melt white chocolate, good. Apples, 1, 2, 3, lollipops, nice and low, good. Candy floss tower, all the way up, look around, good. Sprinkles, to the right, and to the left. Good. Marshmallows, here we go. Big jumps. Eat your sweets. Good. And then we'll sit down and smile. Let's do it one last time and really imagine you're in this world of sweets and you're dancing around these amazing, beautiful, bright and colourful sweets. Okay, from the beginning, let's go. Way up and over. Turn. Chocolate river, dip your toe, melt. Tree, apples, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Low, 1, 2, 3. Tower, candy floss. Good, walk around it. Lovely. Pick up your sweets. We're going to go right and left. Marshmallows. Good. Jump, jump. Beautiful. I certainly had fun in our imaginary sweets world. I hope you did. Let's do a really quick little cool down and feel nice and stretched to finish off. Okay, so following me. Okay, let's start by doing a big yawn. Good, and let's do another one. Lovely. And can you stretch just from one side of your body, big yawn? Lovely, and let's do the other side. Good. And let's go really, really high. Can you go up on your toes? Good. And let's go really, really small. And really big. Good. standing nice and tall. Beautiful, and then come in. Lovely. We're going to take a big deep breath in and imagine we're filling up like a big balloon. And then we're going to deflate. All our air is going to come out. Let's go again. Big deep breath in. And good. Again. One last time. In and out. Lovely. Let's go into our hands and knees. We're going to do our happy cat, sad cat again. Ready? Here we go. All the way up and down. Up and down. One more time. Up and down. Good. All right, come back onto your heels and reach forward. And we're just going to relax here for a moment. Good. And then coming up. We're going to sit on our bottoms and stretch our legs out in front of us. Sit really, really tall. Looking up. Good. And then give your knees a big hug. Bring them in. Lovely. Let's stretch out tall again. Feet out in front of us. Good. And in. This time we're going to go really, really wide. And in. Good. Let's go tall. And hugging your knees. And really wide. And hug it in. Good. Can you take your knees out to the side and keep your feet together like this? Sit up really, really tall. Good. Let's look from side to side. Good. Lovely. Alright, let's sit with our feet comfortably, however they are. We're going to wiggle our fingers a little bit on the tops of our heads, down to our shoulders. Good. We're going to go all the way up and down. Let's go all the way up and down. Good. Up. Let's go down our bodies, all the way down one leg to our foot. And all the way back up. And down the other side. All the way up and down the other side. And up and down the other side. Good. You wiggle your fingers on your back. Lovely. Alright, let's hug them in one more time. Big squeeze. Lovely. And let's lie in a big star on the floor and stretch out. Good. And let's curl into a little ball. And big star again. And into a little ball. And a big star again. Lovely. Okay, and let's go all the way up. Thank you for doing my class today. I hope you had a lot of fun and I will see you again soon. Bye.